In today's video, we have a collaboration with this extraordinary powder from Ciat. Make sure to subscribe to their channel, Subbox Sandy. Thank you so much for that collaboration and free product. Today we're going to be opening up this box of Colgate Overnight Whitening, and we're going to be trying it out and reviewing it, letting you know everything that I thought while using it. This is the Colgate Optic White Overnight Whitening Pen. It's supposed to have results in 1 week. For directions, brush and dry your teeth. It's very important. Paint and then repeat and whiten. It's supposed to harden down so that you can use it overnight. We're going to brush our teeth first to give us the best results. Make sure to fully dry down our teeth. So I'm just using a piece of toilet paper right here and just making sure that all of my teeth are fully dry before going ahead and painting on. Also getting our before picture so that we can go ahead and get the best results possible. This is what it looks like when it dries down. It's a very hard film. And then this was first results after very first use. So not too bad. I did like the results of after a couple of days of use. It is a very interesting formula, but very highly bleached, very concentrated. It is good. It does work very well. But after using this product, I had to stop after 3 uses only because I started getting sores in my mouth. So I have one here on my gum between my teeth. And then I also got some more sores up underneath my lip line. Very painful. So just keep in mind this is highly concentrated bleach product. Be very careful while using. If you don't have problems with sores in your mouth, I highly recommend. For me, I will not be using this product again, but thank you so much for my collaborator, Subbox Sandy. Remember to check her out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.